Chapter 1. Introduction: Building a New Cloud. Our entire digital world, from streaming services to work files, lives on the cloud. But this cloud is not some vague entity. It is a collection of massive physical data centers owned and controlled by just a few tech giants. They set the prices, hold our data, and represent a massive centralization point. But what if we could build our own cloud? A decentralized cloud owned by users, operated by a global network of computers, and open to everyone. This is the vision of decentralized cloud computing. Welcome back to Hyra Deep Dive. Today, two of the leading architects of this vision will face off. In one corner, the Cosmos-based giant of the Supercloud, Akash Network. And in the other corner, the Layer 3 ecosystem with integrated AI, Hyra Network. This is not just a technology comparison. This is a battle of philosophies. Is the future an open, permissionless marketplace for versatile computing power? Or a specialized, all-in-one platform for Web3 native applications? Let's find out. Chapter 2. Defining Philosophy: Open Market versus Integrated Platform. To understand this showdown, you must grasp their fundamentally different approaches to the same goal. Akash Network, Airbnb for cloud computing. Akash's philosophy is to create a fully open, permissionless marketplace for underutilized cloud computing capacity. Think of thousands of data centers worldwide with spare server capacity sitting idle. Akash allows them to offer this capacity on a decentralized marketplace. Users needing to run applications can then bid for this capacity, often at a fraction of the cost compared to traditional providers like AWS. It is a versatile, cost-saving platform designed to disrupt the traditional cloud industry. It is the Supercloud for humanity, Hyra Network, integrated Web3 platform. Hyra's philosophy, as we have discussed, is about deep integration and specialization. It is not just a marketplace for computing power. It is a computing network natively unified with a high-performance Layer 3 blockchain. Its focus is not on general-purpose cloud computing, like hosting a website, but on specialized, verifiable computing tasks critical for Web3 applications. This includes AI model training, DePIN data analytics, and complex smart contract functions. The core idea is not to be a cheaper AWS, but a fundamentally new kind of cloud, built from the ground up for the next generation of dApps. So, the battle is between an open market designed for broad utility and cost savings, and an integrated platform designed for specialized, high-performance Web3 tasks. Chapter 3. Head-to-head metrics: Analysis. Let's put them on the scale across our key categories. Category 1. Core technology and architecture. Akash, built as a sovereign blockchain using the Cosmos SDK. This gives it high flexibility and allows seamless connection with other blockchains in the Cosmos ecosystem via the Inter-Blockchain Communication (IBC) protocol. It uses a reverse auction model similar to what we've seen with Hyra Bid, so users find the best price for computing power. Hyra, a Layer 3, built for high specialization on a secure base layer. Its key architectural feature is the native integration of the Hyra AI compute layer directly with the blockchain execution environment. This is designed to minimize latency and eliminate the complexity of cross-chain communication between a dApp and its compute resources. Category 2. Type of computing and target market. Akash, focused on general-purpose computing. It excels at any application that can run in a Docker container. This includes website hosting, running APIs, and is popular for running validator nodes for other crypto networks. Its target market is huge, basically anyone currently using a cloud service provider. Hyra, focused on specialized parallelizable computing. It is optimized for tasks like AI model training and data analytics for DePIN networks. Its target market is narrower, but with higher value potential. Web3 developers building the next generation of AI-native dApps requiring heavy data processing. Category 3. Economic model and tokenomics. Akash, AKT. The AKT token is the lifeblood of the network. It is used for staking to provide economic security, for governance voting on the platform's future, and as the primary currency for leasing and payments on the marketplace. Hyra, HIRA, leverages a train-to-earn model. This creates a unique flywheel where demand for specialized AI computing directly funds the supply side, the global network of node operators. The token's value is directly tied to demand for the specialized high-value services the network provides. Category 4. Economic moat, competitive advantage. Akash, its moat is price. By leveraging a global marketplace of underutilized server capacity, it can offer general-purpose computing, often 80–90% cheaper than traditional cloud giants. Its strength is an undisputed low-cost leadership position. Hyra. Its moat is integration and verifiability. The native link between the L3 blockchain and AI compute layer is its main advantage. It provides a level of synergy and on-chain verification for Web3 native tasks that a general-purpose cloud platform cannot easily replicate. For a dApp needing trust in AI computation results, this native integration is a powerful feature. Chapter 4. Judge's decision. Which cloud for which job? So, which decentralized cloud solution is better? As always, this is not financial advice. The real answer is, they are two different tools for two different jobs. When should you choose Akash Network? If you need to run a standard containerized application, like a website backend, a database, or a validator node for another blockchain, and your primary decision factor is cost, Akash is currently an unbeatable choice. It is the decentralized workhorse for general-purpose cloud tasks, directly disrupting traditional providers. When should you choose Hyra Network? If you are building a Web3 native application requiring specialized, verifiable AI computing or need to process and analyze massive data from a DePIN network, Hyra is the superior choice. Its integrated architecture is specifically designed for these complex, high-value, on-chain adjacent tasks. Conclusion: they are not necessarily direct competitors for every use case. A developer might use Akash to host the front end of their dApp, while the smart contracts of that same dApp call on the Hyra network for specialized AI and data processing needs. Akash is disrupting the traditional cloud market. Hyra is building the native compute cloud for the next generation of Web3. Chapter 5. Conclusion: an expanding universe. The battle for decentralized cloud has no single winner because the universe of computing needs is expanding. Akash leads in making general-purpose computing accessible and affordable for everyone, while Hyra builds specialized high-performance engines for the smart dApps of tomorrow. The growth of both is a testament to the unstoppable shift toward a more open and user-owned internet. Which platform are you more optimistic about for the future of decentralized internet? Akash's Supercloud or Hyra's integrated ecosystem? Let us know your detailed argument in the comments below. If you enjoyed this analysis, please like and subscribe. In the next showdown, we will explore another fascinating angle by pitting Hyra against Fetch AI. You won't want to miss it. Thank you for watching.